Okay, comparing sale prices. This is as real world as it gets, folks. I mean, you need to know how to do this stuff or else you're just throwing your money away. At Kohl's, the cost of a pair of jeans is $30 with an additional 40% off. Woohoo! The same jeans at JCPenney cost $40 with 30% off. Which is a better buy? Show your reasoning. So what we have to figure out is we have to figure out the sale prices of both of these pairs of jeans. And we've talked about how our sale price is actually our regular price minus the discount. Since the discount is a percent of the original, we have to figure out what that is by using an equation or a proportion to figure out that percent of our price and then subtract it. So I'm gonna put this to the side though, because I want to compare two different stores. I'm gonna have two different problems. I have to figure out how much this pair costs at Kohl's, and I have to figure out how much this pair costs at JCPenney's. They're two different pairs. So to kind of organize my thinking, I'm going to write Kohl's over here, and I'm gonna write JCPenney over here, okay? At Kohl's, we have a $30 pair of jeans with 40% off. Whoops. Essentially, that means 40% of $30, right? Because we're taking 40% of that original price. And at JCPenney, it is $40 with 30% off. So really, we're taking 30% of the $40. Now, depending on whether you use an equation or a proportion, I'll do one with an equation and one with a proportion. It's going to look a little bit different. So I'll do this with one with the equation. I know that 40% of 30, I'm just going to move the decimal over 2 places, and that becomes 0.40, changing that percent to a decimal. And I'm going to times it by my original price of 30, and this is going to give me $12. Now, $12 is not the sale price. $12 is 40% of 30. That's how much we get off of the price. That's our discount. This is the discount. Don't make the mistake of thinking, oh, I pay $12 for jeans, good deal. No, 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 you don't. You don't pay for 40% of the jeans. You pay for 60%, what's left over, which is another way to solve these problems. So our discount in this case is this amount, okay? But I'm not done. It's just the discount. I need to take that off of the original price because our sale price is our regular price minus our discount. That's going to be our sale price. So what was our regular price? Well, it was $30. $30 is the regular price minus our discount, which was $12, equals 30 minus 12, if you need a calculator for that, equals $18. And $18 is the sale price. Now, am I done? No, I'm not done. I still need to figure out what JCPenney price is so I can compare those two. I'm asked to tell which is a better buy. And I'm showing my reasoning. So over here, I said I was going to use a proportion. So this time I'm doing 30% off of 40. So if I'm going to use a proportion, I'll do 30 over 100 on either side of this equal sign. It's okay. Of 40. $40 is the original price. That's the big price. You're not going to pay more than $40. That's their retail price they're asking for it. And we need to know what is 30% off of that 40. So we're multiplying, cross-multiplying here, and I have 30 times 40, which is going to give me 1,200. I'm going to divide that, and our amount we're saving, or discount, 30% of 40, is also $12. Oh my goodness. The discount is the same, but that's not what I'm comparing. I'm comparing which is a better buy, and that has to do with what I'm actually going to be paying for the same exact pair of jeans if I walk into Kohl's or if I walk into JCPenney right now. Okay, so I need to do the same thing that I did at Kohl's. I'm going to take my original price, subtract my discount, which happens to also be 12, and figure out what I've got. And I think most of you understand that if this is a bigger cost here, and I'm subtracting the same amount, I'm going to end up with a higher price on this side. Let's see if my estimate is correct. 40 minus 12, if you need a calculator, is $28 for the pair of jeans. So are you going to pay $28 or are you going to pay $18? So $30 with an additional 40% off, and $40 with 30% off you are going to say Kohl's is a better buy at $18 for the jeans.